Allison from Phoenix, Arizona. With the holidays just around the corner, I wanted to show you a really cute and really easy gift idea. Everything that you would need to have a little pedicure night, I call it Mistle-Toes. I am including a homemade peppermint foot soak. So easy to make. You're gonna need 3/4 cup of Epsom salt, 1/4 cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of peppermint tea, and some peppermint essential oil. Mix it all together. I like to use a fork to get in between the salt pieces, put it into a jar with an airtight lid, and it's ready to go. I like to include a recipe card with this as well, so I just made one up really quick. So let's put it all together. I'm gonna start with some cotton balls on the bottom. It kind of looks like snow. The paper shreds are always fun in a gift basket because they can really fill up a lot of space. The Mistle-Toes card, some nail polish remover, nail files, toe separators, nail polish colors, cute Christmas socks, and that's it. So easy, so quick. Everyone's mistletoes needs a little extra help during the holidays.